Feeling like you're not performing at your best lately? Energy levels through the floor, motivation non-existent, and maybe your focus feels like it's slipping through your fingers? I get it. These days it's easy to feel like you're not quite hitting your peak. But what if I told you that there's a game-changing solution that can have you feeling like your old self again in just 7 days? Stick around, because I'm about to share something that could reignite your vitality, boost your mood, and restore your energy levels naturally. And trust me, you won't want to miss it. The struggle create relatability. Now, I know for a lot of guys, fatigue isn't just a 3 p.m. slump. It's the kind of tiredness that follows you all day long, leaving you feeling drained, uninspired, and questioning. What happened to all that energy I used to have? And here's the thing. It's not just about feeling tired. This lack of energy is often tied to something much deeper. It's your testosterone levels. As we age, this crucial hormone starts to decline, and with it comes a cascade of issues. Low testosterone can lead to sluggishness, brain fog, irritability, and even muscle loss. It's a tough cycle that leaves you questioning, is this just the way life is now? Uncovering the cause-relatable problem. Let's talk about testosterone. This hormone is like the fuel that keeps your engine running. It's not just about muscle mass or sex drive. It's about your overall energy, focus, and motivation. When your testosterone levels are on point, everything just seems easier. You feel invincible, motivated to tackle challenges, and more confident in everything you do. But when your testosterone drops, well, that's when the energy crashes happen. Your mood starts tanking, and even the things you used to enjoy feel like too much of a burden. The worst part? Low testosterone doesn't just impact your physical health, it also messes with your mental well-being. And that's a problem most men don't realize until it's too late. The natural solution. Introduce the hack. So, what can you do about it? You're probably wondering if you need to spend tons of money on testosterone treatments or invasive methods. But here's the thing. You don't need any of that. What I'm about to share with you is something natural. Something you can easily incorporate into your daily routine to boost your testosterone and restore your vitality without breaking the bank or undergoing a crazy regimen. This isn't some miracle pill or a quick fix. This is a 7-day vitality hack that taps into natural ingredients that work with your body's own systems to restore balance. It's simple, it's effective, and it's all about boosting the key elements that drive your energy and vitality. In just 7 days, you could feel like a new man. The science behind it. Make it relatable. Let's break it down. Testosterone isn't just some buzzword. It's the powerhouse hormone that makes sure everything in your body is functioning at its best. When your testosterone levels are balanced, everything just works better. You feel stronger, sharper, and more driven. But when they dip, well, that's when the issues start. Your circulation slows, fatigue sets in, and stress starts to take over. Here's the cool part. By boosting testosterone naturally, you help recharge your system, increase blood flow, and reduce cortisol, the stress hormone that can wreak havoc on your energy. It's all about bringing balance back to your body and mind. No more feeling like you're dragging through the day. Instead, you'll feel like you've woken up from a long sleep, ready to take on anything that comes your way. The hack ingredients and process. So, what's the 7-day hack? It all starts with natural ingredients that support your body's testosterone production, reduce stress, and improve circulation. Let's dive into the powerhouse ingredients that make this hack work so well. 1. Tribulus terrestris, a natural herb known for its ability to stimulate the body's testosterone production. It's been used for centuries to boost strength and stamina. When it comes to increasing testosterone, tribulus is like a natural rocket fuel. 2. Fenugreek. Not just for cooking? This herb does wonders for testosterone levels. But more than that, it helps balance hormones, reduce fat, and even regulate blood sugar, giving you more sustained energy throughout the day. 3. Ashwagandha. Known as a powerful adaptogen, ashwagandha helps your body manage stress and balance cortisol levels. Less stress equals more energy, better focus, and a major boost to testosterone. 4. Zinc. You need zinc for optimal testosterone levels. If you're deficient, your body can't produce testosterone properly. Zinc is a small but mighty mineral that keeps everything running smoothly. Results after 7 days. So what can you expect after incorporating this hack into your routine for just 7 days? First, you'll feel more energized. not just for a few hours, but consistently throughout the day. That afternoon slump you know all too well? Gone. You'll feel sharper, more focused, and ready to tackle whatever the day throws at you. Next, you'll notice a shift in your workouts. You'll recover faster, feel stronger, and see improvements in your muscle tone. This isn't just about lifting heavier weights. It's about long-lasting results and maintaining your energy levels for the long haul. And as an added bonus, you'll probably notice a change in your mood. More energy means more confidence, and when you feel good physically, it impacts everything else in your life. Relationships, work, and your overall happiness will see the benefits. Keep it personal. Look, if you're tired of feeling drained and like you can't keep up with your own life, it's time to take control. You deserve to feel energetic, confident, and motivated every single day. And it all starts with this natural vitality hack. Click the link in the description below to learn more and get started on your journey back to feeling like your best self. Don't wait for tomorrow. Take the first step today. In just 7 days, you'll notice a huge difference in your energy and overall well-being. What have you got to lose? Let's get that vitality back. Thanks for watching. If this video resonated with you, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and make sure to subscribe for more tips on boosting your health, energy, and overall life quality. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Take charge of your vitality today and start living life at full capacity.